The Sacco was founded way back in 2007 but started operating in 2015. It was started by a group of staff members of Karura Community Chapel. But over time, in the spirit of growth, we decided to open the common bond. And as we speak now, membership is open to everyone, anyone, anywhere, anytime. In Kenya, we have almost 24,000 registered Saccos. And someone will ask themselves then, why Karura Community Sacco? Why Karura Community Sacco is because to us, our member comes first.
I've been a member of this Sacco for so many years, and having been one of the first founding members of this Sacco, one of the mileages I have seen is the growth in the Sacco. Like right now, we have a fully fledged office where you can walk in anytime and get the details that you need. If you have any question, you can always walk in there. And this has been a serious development. And also now, even as we proceed in this sanctuary, where we are now able to access all the details through an application, which has been a very interesting mileage, because you can get to know about your loans, your savings from the comfort of your home through your phone. And this has been exciting. Seeing people grow from small business people to big business people, many women starting up businesses, and also having people move from one level of life to the other. It has been an exciting journey.
Hii Sacco imenisaidia sana. Juu vitu nyingi nilikuwa sina, lakini wakati nilianza kuweka pesa na nikaanza kuchukua loan, nimelipa school fees kwa watoto, na sasa saa hii nataka pesa ya biashara.
Nimeingia hapa Karura Sacco Community na nimetoka Gitaro. Huwa inanisaidia sana juu nilikuwa chini kibiashara, lakini saa hii nimekuja wanipe pesa loan, at least niongezee hiyo biashara yangu. Mimi nalisha kuku, siku hizi biashara iko chini, nataka niende niweke broiler, at least niweze kuendelea mbele.
As a Sacco, what we've been doing, we've really been empowering young people. Especially, let's say for example, you have an idea and maybe you need some financial maybe empowerment. We come through for you by allowing you to access loans at very affordable rates, and we also work with you through the process. If it's maybe you want to start an investment and maybe you don't have enough knowledge on the area, we come through by advising and also financing that.
Nilijoin hii Sacco mwaka wa 2016, na tangu huo mwaka ama tangu nijoin hiyo Sacco, maisha yangu ilibadilika sana. Nilikuwa na urge, nilikuwa na ile nilikuwa nataka kununua pikipiki nilipo join hii Sacco, na nikafuatilia pikipiki, wale wanaopeana pikipiki wote, wale wa loans nini, nikapata kwamba hao wengine wanakupea pressure kulipa pesa, haswa wanataka pesa kila siku, na kiwango chao cha pesa kila siku ni mingi sana. So nilipo join Sacco, nikawauliza, wakaniambia watanipea pikipiki, na tangu hiyo siku mimi sijawahi kuwa na pressure ya kulipa hiyo loan.
I joined the Sacco 2019. Nikaanza kusave kidogo kidogo. You can save kutoka 1,000 as the lowest amount. Yeah. So after nilisave for like a year, nikaona with that money naweza chukua 3 times of the money nimesave. Nikachukua, nikaongea na wao, nikawaambia nataka nduthi. Yeah, and after talking with them, wako sawa na kusikiza, tukasikizana, wakaninunulia nduthi. So far nimefanya nayo few months, na naweza sema inanipeleka sawa kabisa, nalipa on time.
Membership of Karura Community Sacco cuts across the entire nation of Kenya, cuts across the entire world. How are we able to do this? Because we are relying on technology. We have been able to put all our services on the internet. We have been able to allow our members to access our services through their PC, through their tablets and through their phone.
Currently, I'm residing in the Netherlands. This is where I have called home for the past 1.5 years. I'm a member of Karura Community Sacco. I really, again, would like to commend the team coming up with Karura.com. This is an app where you download on your phone and you're able to see your statement, your account statement in real time. You're able to see how much you have in loan, how much you have in savings. So every time I send money back home, whether it's to save or to service a loan, I am able to see that it's effected from my end. I don't have to call and ask if they've received my money, and I really love or like how efficient it is. You just go on your M-Pesa and send either M-Pesa or directly to the bank account, and now with Karura, things have become even much easier.
Ni rahisi sana kuingia hii Sacco, Karura Community Sacco, juu hata kusave una save na simu. Si lazima ati ukuje hapa kwa ofisi ati uangalie savings zako. Hata ukiuliza savings zako na message, wanakurudishia message hapo hapo. Ningetaka kuongelea hata wale wako nchi za nje, at least mjaribu kuingia ili tukue tuna save mpaka na simu, kila kitu hapo.
Through joining Karura Community Sacco, I have experienced a lot of benefits in my life and now with my family. And even being back here, it doesn't matter that we are in different continents or time zones, but it's been very, very beneficial.
For example, a member saving in the United States of America, they can use their PayPal, they can use direct banking, they can use M-Pesa, and immediately they will be able to see their statement on their phone. We have a member in the northern side of Kenya who wants to get a loan. They don't need to call anyone. They don't need to physically come to our office. All they need is to access their portal on their phone, and they are able to get any particular service, whether it's saving, whether it's borrowing through their phone, their PC, or their tablet. We have partnered with an insurance company, and we've been able to bargain a very affordable rate for our members, in that you're able to just pay a small amount and you're covered up to a given amount per year. This is a package that you cannot find any other place.
Ile kitu ambayo imenifurahisha Karura ni medical insurance imefunguliwa. Tafadhali hapo ukiwa mgonjwa, nimefurahi sana hiyo, kwa sababu nikiwa mgonjwa nitakuwa nalipiwa na Karura Sacco bila kuwa na shida yoyote. Pengine nimeshindwa, sina hata transport ya kwenda hospitali na sina pesa ya kulipa hospitali, insurance itanisimamia kila kitu.
Upande wa medical insurance, hii Karura Sacco imenisaidia sana, juu hapo nyuma nilikuwa na shida na kulipa hospitali, lakini siku hizi wamenilipia insurance, naenda hospitali huko Nile karibu na Dagoretti Market. Hiyo hospitali iko huko, wananilipia. So hata watoto wangu tunaenda huko, tunatibiwa huko. Kwa hivyo siku hizi wamenisaidia sana, juu already wananiwekea insurance. Kwa hivyo sina wasiwasi na sina shida ya hospitali, tunatibiwa vizuri. Lakini hapo mbeleni nilikuwa na shida hata kuenda hospitali juu ya pesa, lakini siku hizi sina wasiwasi.
Right now we have a package of 5,800 and you are covered up to a maximum of 200,000 inpatient.
Ninataka kuambia wamama wote sana sana wa Gitaru waingie Karura Sacco Community ili tuungane, tuendelee kitu kimoja, tusaidike, tupate mpaka pesa za biashara. Kama ni hosi hivyo naenda bila kulipa, tukue tunashirikiana kimoja na tunatibiwa, yani tukiwa tunalipiwa na insurance medical ya hapa.
Our main aim is to grow every member, so our member needs comes first. So at the end of the day, you find that we have a team of very committed staff members who are willing to walk you through the journey of growth.
Here at Karura Community Sacco, we value our customers so much. On a day-to-day basis, we serve around 200 to 300, some physically when they work in the office, And due to Corona, that has reduced, of course. But normally we serve them via phone requests and via WhatsApp and through emails.
We have a wide variety of products ranging from saving to the loans that we are currently offering. Like for example, saving, we have the normal deposits where a member contributes at least a minimum of 1,000 every month. We have the shares where a member contributes a minimum of 5,000, but any other time that they want to buy more, they can buy. We have the junior deposits because we want to teach our children the culture of saving.
And one of the areas to save with this Sacco is for our children, because I'm a father of 3, and most of us have never been taught about saving and taking care of our money. The junior account earns interest like any other product in our Sacco, and you're able to even to take facilities through the account. And the also good thing is that the children, as they grow up, they can come and be able to be assisted by the account. They can even take facilities through the account. So I believe for our clients and for our friends, it's good to join it so that you're able to assist yourself and also your children.
We have our school fees loan at an interest rate of 12%. So if you have your child or if yourself you're going to school, just come to us. We'll write a payment directly to the school, and you are left with us to be paying on a monthly basis for a period of 1 year. We also have our our normal loans that the repayment period is 24 months, that is 2 years, and we also give in multiple of 3. That means whatever you've saved with us, we can give you up to 3 times. We also have the Mavuno savings. Mavuno saving is basically a fixed deposit where a member saves money for the future, for a particular event that they are expecting in the future. For our loan products, we have varieties, mostly categorized into 2, the short-term loan products and the long-term loan products. For the short-term loan products, we have the Solution Pap, which is a 1-month loan product, and the application period is just an hour. You make a phone call in the office, and within an hour that money is sent to you, or through the mobile application, you can automatically access it by just going to the loans and clicking on the new loans, and you're able to get that. We also have our 3-month loan product, which is called Solution Plus. The application period is 2 days, and the repayment period is 3 months.
Some of the services that I really enjoyed were Suluhisho Pap. That was one that I really benefited from in terms of, when emergencies happen. That's why they're called emergencies. You never, plan for them. So I took out Suluhisho Pap loans, and it was quite efficient. The process time, I think within days you would have the money in the account, and that's not something you'd experience with any bank in Kenya. So, and also taking out a loan for investment, the efficiency from the Karura Community Sacco staff has been enormous, and I really thank everyone from the Karura Community Sacco team. Being back here, every time I've wanted to take out a loan, I've had to go through the process of filling up the loan application form, and the processing time is very, very short, a month. And because I've been a member for so long, and at least I have a good savings background with the Sacco, the process of getting a loan has been very, very quick.
I'm a student of Kenyatta University, and there's this one time last year during time of COVID, I was saving with Karura Community Sacco, luckily, and after around 3 months, 4 months there, I needed to have something I wanted to do. So I wanted to start a small business ya kuuza mayai. So I wanted to buy a trolley, Then nikakumbuka, there is a Sacco that nilikuwa na save. Hey, and what happened? I came, nikakuja kwa ofisi zao, and I asked for a loan. I applied for a loan which I got. The loan, uzuri wao wanakupatia loan, zile pesa zenye umesave, they give you thrice the amount if you have saved after 3 months.
We also have our IPF, Insurance Premium Financing Loan, which is a 5-month loan product. and the interest rate is 15% per annum on reducing balance. This covers all our insurance needs, including our cars and also our health.
Kwa majina naitwa Felix Odhiambo Rico. Mimi ni member wa Karura Sacco. Kitambo nilikuwa naendeshia mtu gari, but wakati nimeingia kwa Sacco nimeanza kusave kidogo kidogo. Alafu sasa kwa sahi Sacco wamenipatia gari. Kwa sahi sasa hii gari ni yangu. Nalipa kidogo kidogo. Na naomba tu wale sasa wanaweza kuingia kwa Sacco pia wafaulu kama mimi venye nilifaulu.
I've been able to take some facilities, but the major one I've done is the development one, whereby you're able to get some properties and some plots that they have. And I know they have various properties in all over our metropolitan, that is Kitengela and Nanyuki and other areas. And they have assisted me to buy plots. And the good thing with the plot is the Sacco does the donkey work of doing the due diligence of the plot. And basically, like before, I have been, we have lost money. And I know most of Kenyans have lost money. And people fear even buying plots because of losing money. But right now, the good thing is buying through the Sacco. They do the due diligence. They're able to make sure the title is valid, the land is there. And when you come to the Sacco and buy the plot, you are very sure and you have no doubt about the plot. And you are very sure that once you finish, the title is yours, and which is very good. So right now, I want them to build for me. And I want to take another facility whereby they are going to get me some money and finance me to build and be able to live in the house. So it's a good Sacco, and kudos to Karura Community Sacco.
Tuko na kikundi inaitwa Blessed Sisters, iko na wamama 30. Kazi yetu ni kwanza tunaendanga kwa wasasi, tunaomba baraka, tena tunatubuisha watu na nyimbo, na ya pili tumeweka ATM ya maziwa. Hii kikundi inaendelea vizuri, na vile imeendelea tumesaidiwa sana na Sacco inaitwa Karura Sacco, na imesaidia members wetu sana, pengine individual na hata kwa kikundi. Na maono yetu tukianza hii biashara ni kuwa kila member wetu atakuwa na kazi yake kama hii. Tuende tukinunua ATM ama kazi ingine, na hii kazi ipanuke, na ndio kila member wetu akuwe na kazi ya kufanya.
What I would put across maybe to the young people out there is that you don't have to wait until you get old so that you start saving, because it's of essence to plan as early as now. That is your finances, because you don't have to wait until the world come clamping down so that you start as in realizing that you ought to plan your finances well.
Here at Karura Community Sacco, we welcome new members every time, and what we value most is our clients, and we endeavor to give them a great customer experience.
Ningependa ku-advise vijana youthman pale mtaani, umeketi pale unashindwa, hey, maisha hanipeleki vizuri. Leo hii nimekuja na suluhisho. Join Karura Community Sacco. Watakusaidia hata kama sio pikipiki, tunazo mambo mingi ambazo unasaidika nazo. Unataka kufungua biashara, unataka kuwekeza mahali, zote Karura Sacco wako nayo.
Tangu niingie kwa Sacco na ninunue nduthi, like nilikuwa employed, lakini penye nilikuwa employed nikaona hatupelekani vizuri, so nikaingia kwa nduthi, nikajiemploy, na life is better nikiwa nimejiemploy kuliko venye nilikuwa employed. So yeah, inanipeleka kabisa vizuri kabisa.
Wale wote ambao wanataka kujoin Karura Sacco, tafadhali ingieni na mtafaidika sana.
I've been able to introduce 5 of my very good friends who also reside abroad, and they've also been able to benefit from the Sacco, and now they've even introduced other people within their Sacco. So really it's a society that's growing. It's a Sacco that everyone needs to watch out for, because I think the sky is the limit. I really encourage anyone who is not a member of the Karura Community Sacco and you're watching me, I am here to tell you that I'm a true living, breathing testimony and of someone who's abroad and has made investments, and I have grown. I have been able to acquire property through the Karura Community Sacco. So do not waste your time. Now is the time to join the Sacco because there's more exciting products that are coming up, and I can't wait to see what the team has in store for us.
I invite all of you to join Karura Community Sacco, where we want you and I to grow together.
Grow together, you and I.
Growing together, you and us.
Growing together, you and I.
You and I.
And for you who's watching me and you've not made that bold move of joining Karura Community Sacco, yesterday you said it's tomorrow. Do it today. Karura Community Sacco, growing together, you and us.